I love cooking with soy. It's such a versatile and delicious ingredient that fits well into so many meals. Hi, I'm Mackenzie Burgess, and I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist and recipe developer at Cheerful Choices. I believe balance is key. It's all about choosing foods that are both nourishing and satisfying. Research shows that soy can lower the risk of heart disease, improve bone health and brain function, and even enhance skin health. There's no reason to be intimidated by soy. Start simple. Tempeh is fantastic, sliced and marinated, then you can grill it or pan-sear it. These slices are perfect over sandwiches or wraps. Of course, I also love crumbling it in tacos, burrito bowls, or pasta sauces. One of my favorite ways to meal prep with soy is with these Tempeh Burrito Bowls. So tempeh is made from fermented soybeans, which are then pressed together to form a block like you see here. To start, we're gonna crumble up the tempeh, then we'll saute it until it's nice and golden brown. Since this is unseasoned, I'm adding over some taco seasoning and broth. You'll saute this for a few more minutes to let it soak up all the flavor. Then it's super simple. Just add the cooked tempeh alongside cilantro lime rice, black beans, corn, pico de gallo or chopped tomatoes, cheese, and avocado. And I love garnishing with some lime wedges and chopped cilantro too. You can enjoy these bowls right away for a quick weeknight dinner or store them in the fridge for up to 4 days. Perfect to pack for a busy work week. Plus, each bowl has 23 grams of protein and 11 grams of fiber to keep you satisfied. Happy prepping!